Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut trees in Dota 2. To do so, all you need to do is buy items like Tango or Quelling Blade. With Tango, you can consume a tree by clicking on the Tango first and then clicking on the tree you want to consume, like so. This will also give you 7 health regeneration for 16 seconds. Or you can choose to quell the tree by purchasing the Quelling Blade and just targeting the tree with it. You can also choose to pick heroes that have natural tree cutting abilities like Timber Saw with his Q. Here's an example. And Mars with his Arena of Blood, like so. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Happy Gaming!